Hey, so if you've been hearing about ElevenLabs and wondering how to actually use it for content creation, yeah, this is for you. I'll walk you through the basics step by step. Super simple, no experience needed. First, head over to ElevenLabs and sign up. You can use your email or just continue with Google. It's pretty quick. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Text-to-speech, voice cloning, everything. Now click on Text to Speech and paste your script into the text box. This can be anything: YouTube videos, ads, even storytelling. Next, pick a voice. There are tons of options, different tones, accents, styles. Just choose one that fits your content. Then hit Generate. Give it a second, and yeah, your AI voice is ready. You can preview it right away. If it sounds good, just download the file and use it in your videos. Super useful for faceless content, by the way. And that's basically it. You're now creating content with ElevenLabs. I mean, once you get used to it, it's actually kind of addictive. Give it a try and see what you can build.